How to use Xbox Remote Play feature. To set up Xbox Remote Play, you have to go to your console's settings. So first of all, press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. Then navigate to the Profile and System, then head to the Settings. Go to the Device and Connections, then head to Remote Features. Select the box to enable remote features. Under Power Options, ensure the console power mode is set to sleep. Remote won't play or remote play won't work if it's set to the full shutdown. So all you have to do is now open your device or your phones, then search for Xbox application and download it onto your device. Now all you have to do is go ahead and launch this application. You should be able to find the console-like icon within the application. You simply have to tap on it, then select the remote play on this device, then click continue. Really hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.